when you're ready.
Oh, okay. So,
What's this new shirt first?
this is our apparel. This is our merch, so to speak. You can get them from me soon.
Heaps of stock, yes. Heaps of stock.
No stock, but get there. Speaking of stock, took out our stock 9-inch. I don't know if it's stock actually, but took out a 9-inch. It was a 411 LSD 9-inch disc brake. Going back to drums because I got some big boy wheels that we want to put on, which allows us to cut another 2 inches out of there and hopefully fit them. And this is all Mark Williams alloy. That one's billet. All Mark Williams center. Billet yoke. 4.89 gears. It just looks tough.
What were we having it before?
What did we have in it before? Standard. Just 9-inch.
Oh, what was the ratio?
Oh, 4.1s.
So I had 4.1s in it before.
It's not 4.1s. And it went good. It was alright. But these should give it a bit more pep. And better skids. It's also come with all the Caltrack tramp rod sort of mounts. So, and stabiliser plates at the top here that are welded on. So we're gonna, well, I don't know if we're gonna make a set or get a set. They just bolt into here, onto the chassis rail. So we might make a set up and play with that and see how we go up the drags. See if we can get the car to hook up. With the new motor, just got the motor back. Motor's been built. Hopefully the new motor does 450 maybe. If we can get 450 out of it, it'll be really low 11s. Should be low, no, we should crack high 10s, low 11s. If we can get it to hook up with this system, we should be able to crack pretty low 11 street car, which should be a bit of fun.
Well, let's go check out the motor.
Yeah. This is our motor. This is the original motor that we had. Just got it freshened up. A bit more head work, a bit more port work in around the valves in there. Went back to 5.8 inch rod, so it's basically a 351. Well, it's always a 351, but we've got a shorter rod in it. We had a 6-inch rod before. Gone back to a 5.8 inch rod. Speed Pro pistons, floating pins. Floating pins should be good. A bit safer. ARP, whatever wasn't ARP before is now ARP. We didn't have ARP rod bolts, now we've got ARP rod bolts. And we've got balance, externally balanced with the balancer and the flex plate on. So all my roller uppers and everything that was in the last motor back in this one, obviously. Same cam. Everything's pretty much the same, except we just did a few more things and it's fresh now, so should see it. Made 390 the day before it blew up at Power Cruise last year, so should squeeze a bit more power out of it. The cam's now degreed a little bit further, which makes it a bit of an issue with timing, a bit more volatile with timing, but should have a better torque curve. So yeah, we just pretty much got to dress it. I've done all the water pump balance, all this crap, covers. Waiting on a rear main seal. We got a machine to take a barra rear main seal. Waiting on that, then we can get on the stand, finish putting it together, get it sitting in there. Got a brand new MSD black Bizzos. Pretty proud of this. It's pretty nice. Had to show everyone. I like it. The old one took a punch when the ARP drive hit it, so it can get repaired or go in the bin. Go my Cortina. Quick fuel. This is a 950 DFT quick fuel. TFC 2B manifold, 2B iron heads. Just been worked really good. High energy sump. And yeah, should be a pretty stout little 450 horsepower combo. The built C4 behind it and the new 9-inch we're putting in. Should be a lot of fun. Should be able to do some racing and some burnouts. Anyway, where'd we go? We went to Hardy Spicer at Darra. We've got a mate there apparently, his name's Anthony. done me a solid today, built me a shaft because we had a trouble here with this being 1350, the factory XD shaft being 21R uni, I think. So now we've got 1350 all round. He welded that up the servo. I left it 1:15, got back at 3:51. And yeah, we're good to go. Maybe get some billet caps here, but that's later in life. It was a bit of a pain to do it. I went 2 or 3 times into the city today to try and sort this out. But here we are, sorted. I'm gonna go get the motor in now, which is what I've been trying to do all day. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the motor in and then we'll see how we go a bit later.